Alright, we got the old Moby Dick mobile belt sander here. It's got a, I made it so you could walk it around. Little wheels are slotted so they can, you just pivot it back and it rolls around like a suitcase. The belt tension, just pull this thing up, change your belt. Got a 2-horse motor. I got it wired, I got it set up for 220. It's got an old switch. Kind of liked it down here because when you're working you can just kind of flip in there and do your work, be done with it. The tool rest here, I got it kind of slotted. You can pivot it around. This thing is not 100% done. It's about 90% done. I still got to adjust the pillow blocks and stuff here for this to track 100% all the time. So changing the belt's pretty easy. Push that in, or you don't even have to do that really. But I made it so you could have 2 different size belts. Adjust the belt. It's going to track pretty nice, so you can adjust it here, in and out. Change belt, just like that. Want to reuse the longer belt, whatever. So it'll be 2-inch belt. Tool rest is just take a piece of 1/2 inch and tap the piece of tube, weld it on the bottom here, chamfered it so that it can be angled up and down and grooved here so it can move in and out, get a good range of adjustments. Not only move in and out, but you can adjust it, you know, any angle you want. Just put a T-screw around here. something, you can do it up here. Or deburr something. You want to just a 2 horse motor, don't even slow down. Or if you don't want to use the tool rest, you can just take it off here. Just tap it right into the arm.